In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Webhooks. By the end, you'll have a secure API token from Calendly that your webhook service can use to receive real-time scheduling updates. Think of a webhook as Calendly's way of notifying another app the moment something happens, like a new booking or a cancellation, without you needing to check manually. First, sign into your Calendly account and head to your dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and open Integrations and Apps. This is your hub for connecting Calendly to other tools, and it's where Calendly keeps its developer options too. In the Integrations directory, use the search bar and type API and Webhooks. You're looking for Calendly's official API and Webhooks option. Open it to access the controls for generating a personal access token. This token is what authorizes your webhook system to read the specific Calendly data you allow. Click Get a token now. Calendly will walk you through a short creation flow. When prompted, click Continue to proceed. You'll now be asked to provide a name. Choose a clear, descriptive label so you can recognize this token later, something that reflects its purpose or the system it connects to. Next, choose Scopes. Scopes define exactly what the token can access. Only select the permissions you need for your webhook use case. Following the principle of least privilege keeps your data safer and makes audits easier down the line. When you're ready, click Next. Calendly will send a verification code to your email to confirm it's you. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it back into the verification field. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, Calendly will generate your token. Click Copy Token. Treat this like a password. Keep it private, do not share it publicly, and store it in a secure place such as a secrets manager or a password manager. Many webhook tools will ask you to paste this token into an authorization field or header to authenticate with Calendly's API. If you ever think the token has been exposed, return to this same area in Integrations and Apps to revoke and regenerate it. That's it. You've successfully created the secure access you need to connect Calendly to your webhooks. With the token in hand, your automation platform can subscribe to events and react instantly when meetings are booked, rescheduled, or canceled, keeping your workflows up to date without manual effort.